Traction distribution. General arrangement of power supply. The state government supplies 132 kV of AC supply to traction substations, where 132 kV supply will be stepped down to 25 kV and fed to overhead equipment or OHE. Each substation will give supply for 38 to 50 kilometers. Each TSS will be supplied with the two different phases and will have two step down transformer. One is for standby. Interrupters in section are operated from remote control center TPC. Neutral section. Neutral section is a short section of dead OHE which separates the area fed by two adjacent substations to avoid bringing of two different phases. These are three types. One is PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, length is 4.8 meters. Second one, conventional type, length of 41 meters. Third one, section insulator type. Length differs as per requirement. Purpose of ATD and OHE. ATD is essential to maintain tension in contact wire and to avoid damage to contact wire due to temperature variations. There are three types of OHE regulations are. One is regulated OHE. If both ends OHEs is provided with ATD, it is called regulated OHE. Number 2, semi-regulated OHE. If one end of OHE is provided with ATD, it is called semi-regulated OHE. Number 3, unregulated OHE. If both the ends of OHE is not provided with ATD, it is called unregulated OHE. Panto entanglement causes. When any broken part of pantograph comes contact in between overhead lines or vice versa, causes panto entanglement. Causes. One is OHE defect, 2 pantograph defect, 3 track defect, 4 miscellaneous. OHE defects. Damaged insulators, damaged cantilever tubes, damaged jumpers and droppers, improper adjustment of OHE at turnouts and curves. If ATD drum is not moving properly, contact wire defective. Panto defects. Spring box failure, improper static force of panto on OHE, missing pins and fasteners of parts, improper leveling of panto pan, miscellaneous. Storm, bird hitting, tree branches, foreign material on OHE, theft of OHE. Duties of loco pilot when panto is entangled. Number 1. When panto is entangled, immediately lower panto or press BPMS. Number 2. Inform the matter with full detail to TLC and TPC. Ask for TRD staff. After arrival of TRD staff and after restoration of work, secure the panto and don't leave any loose parts on the loco roof. Keep concerned HPT link to earthing clip and close concerned panto cap. Feeding post. Each feeder supply the OHE on one side of the feeding post through interrupters controlling supply to the individual lines from traction substation. Sectioning and paralleling post SP. These posts are situated approximately midway between feeding post and marking the demarcating point of two zones fed from different phases from adjacent substations. Subsectioning and paralleling post SSP. One or more SSPs are provided between each FP and adjacent SP depending upon the distance between them. In double line track section, normally 3 interrupters are provided at each SSP. Overview and functional description of SCADA system. The SCADA system is designed to monitor the status and control of the 25 kV electrified traction system. It is a fully integrated hardware and software system with a central control to monitor and control the field devices located at remote sites. The SCADA system can be classified into two broad categories. 1. Remote Control Center RCC. 2. Remote Terminal Center or Terminal Unit RTU. Main and standby computer at RCC. Remote terminal units for acquisition of field parameters from the unnamed control stations along with the traction network. The RCC and RTU are connected in wide area network WAN. The RCC computers communicate with each RTU to acquire the following information regarding: Number 1. Status of circuit breaker, interrupter, relays, etc. Number 2. Alarm condition in the control stations.